Welcome back to my channel, and we are at Lucid Motors. It is Friday, December the 6th. I shot this morning. It's in the afternoon now. I'm starting at the northeast side of the facility, and all the videos have been sped up about 35%. So when you see cut after cut, it's 35%. That's why it might be a little jerky, but I didn't want this to be too long. Today, Lucid is trading at $2.25 a share, and actually it's up 7.33% today. So the market cap is about $6.76 billion. So it's looking good today, and I am very pleased with all the cars that I saw, because the last time I was here, there was no Lucids on the east side of the parking lot. And today, well, we're going to see people that are working, because I decided to come on a work day rather than a weekend or on a Sunday when nobody's working. I did meet with the security guard and ask him how many gravities they have outside, and he said, I drive around it all the time. He says they're all inside the building right now. So I did not see any. But one of the cars that I did see when we get on the west side there, I kept thinking that could be a Gravity. It was a white car, so maybe you ought to look for it when we get there. But right now we're headed into where all the Lucids are stored on the east side. And these are, I guess, ready to go on the west side where they ship them out. Now, I shot this with my Mavic, and you're going to see a difference in quality of video when you get to my Air 3, which is coming up right now. This is the Air 3. Very pleased with it. So, and again, this is 35% faster than all the normal speed. As we go through, there are a ton of cars ready to be shipped. As you might notice from this view, this is a kind of a wide-angle view of the whole parking lot. And I'm trying to see if I can see that white car. I think it's on the, but I'm not sure. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to come in closer when I come back, zooming in a little bit. Again, I got to shoot all these from the street. And we live in the desert. This is in Casa Grande, Arizona. And they have dust storms here all the time. But they had a dust storm and it rained. So all the cars out there, if you see them, when you look at them close up, they're all dirty, man. I even get mine, even though my car's under a shelter, my ID4. The front end got walloped with that dust rain mixture last night. And I'm kind of looking to see if I see that car that I thought was a higher roof level than the sedans. Again, I was just looking through my iPhone, and I might not have seen it. I mean, just thought we did. But anyway, Lucid's looking really good. The parking lot's full. Both parking lots are full. Lots of cars. And the Gravity, you can now order the Gravity on the internet. So, I mean, place an order. I think the Air Pure starts at 69,000 something. And if you're thinking about getting one, this would be a good time, because we don't know if the IRA is going to stick around when Trump gets in there, because Elon Musk would like to have all the incentives for electric cars canceled, so it's a fair playing ground. Of course, they want to cancel any oil subsidies that's going on too. And as we're looking, and I'm kind of looking and see if I thought I could see one, and I'm looking at a little monitor here. It's not as sharp in my Premiere. But I thought I saw one, but I'm not sure. And I don't remember what row it is. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's a sedan. Well, anyway, be excited. Maybe the next time when I come here in January, there'll be some Gravities out there. The security guard didn't think there was any out there today. But he says if they come out, they'll be on the west side where I'm shooting right now. So anyway, and you can see that there are trucks ready to pick up, drop off ship various cars out. But anyway, Thank you for joining my channel. I appreciate your support, and I'll keep you updated with any Lucid that I just happen to run across. I'm shooting really low right now. It's between the light pole and that. This is at a low angle, trying to find that roof. But anyway, I don't see it. But thank you very much for being here, and talk to you later. Thanks.